My name is Dave Buckley and I'm one of the founding partners of Buckley Fine.
My name is Hilmar Gerlach. I am a partner and the chair of the business law group at Buckley Fine. The business law group of Buckley Fine includes our employment group.
The employment law group at Buckley Fine serves both corporate clients in helping them craft employment agreements with their employees, non-competition and non-disclosures to protect the assets of those companies. We also represent individuals who may be negotiating an employment contract or negotiating an exit from their current employer.
Clients become very, very emotional, and as such, what matters to them is that they get an honest and a direct answer. So what we recommend to our practice group in the employment law, when an employee has been terminated or fired, at that point in time, if there is any type of severance package available, it's very important to ask the client whether they can afford not to take that package and literally take on the employer. On the employer side, however, we also wanted to make sure that everything is done by the book, that proper separation processes are put in place. So it's more or less crossing your T's and dotting your I's. But it's also important, again, that you're creating the comfort, whether you are representing the employer or the employee.
What primarily matters to individuals in employment law matters is making sure that they're being treated fairly by their employer. Whether that's starting a new relationship or ending a relationship, they want to know that they're being treated fairly. For corporate clients in employment law matters, their primary concern is protecting their intellectual property. They want to make sure that the goodwill and the knowledge that they've created within their company stays within their company, even if an employee does not.
For a Buckley Fine employment attorney, I think it is truly important that they stay abreast of what are the developments, and those developments right now are moving at lightning speed. Different states have different employment laws as well. You have federally mandated regulations which are uniform throughout the country, but then each state, or even within a state, you may have a city ordinance or you may have a county ordinance. And so if you practice in employment law, it's extremely important that you keep up to speed on those developments.